Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and start off just wetting the top of the wig. And I didn't do anything. The knots already came bleached, and the knots are already bleached, so I didn't have to bleach these knots. This is straight out of the box. So I'm just gonna spray it a little bit. Yeah. Okay, now I'm using the Lottie Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. I usually use the setting lotion, but I'm ready to try this mousse out because I love that setting lotion. It's bomb. And this is what's gonna get it really flat. As you can see already, it's like straightening it. Okay, so this is what it looks like after it has like just dried. And it is a little hard, not too hard, because look, my fingers go right through it. And then I just swoop these this way. And the lace is still here. Here's our wig that we already molded. And look at that hairline. Bomb, girl. I didn't have to do anything to it. I just took it out and start to wet it, you know. Oh. Okay, there you go. See, it's getting a little darker. All right, I can't keep trying to show y'all and spray too much at one spot. All right, you get it. Then I like to blow dry it. All right, and theirs also come with like an extra band right here. I take mine off. And theirs is the ones that you can hook and unhook too. Oh! Somebody stop me. Stop me. Stop me. You see these areas that's gonna have a baby hair, girl? So we ain't gonna have baby hair all over. We're gonna have baby hair in certain spots. I gotta put some cocoa butter on this. You click the link down below. Go check out my nail video. I'm gonna get it at all the points. Have baby hair first. Blow dry that. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. Then I go in with the gel. All right, now let me add my wax stick. I like to use my Ember J wax stick. Now I'm gonna put my elastic band on it. Bruh, these nails! Like a love-hate relationship for real. All right, I'm gonna give this about 5 minutes and I shall return. Okay, guys, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Definitely let me know if you like this video. I love the clips on the side. Yes, I just can't get enough of these. All right, guys, until next time, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.